So, as I told you about the division of Peninsular Plateau, that is the Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. And we will study now the Central Highlands first. Where is the Central Highland? It lies in the north of river Narmada. This Narmada river, it flows from Amarkantak, Madhya Pradesh, and it is also known as the lifeline of Madhya Pradesh. As this is very important river which flows in Central Highland, and it covers a large part of Malwa Plateau. Here you can see, just see the map, that the complete region of this is the Central Highland. I am talking about this region. This is the Central Highland, and it covers a large part of this Malwa Plateau. You can see this Malwa Plateau over here, and it is bounded by the ranges. You can see in the second map that the Central Highland, it is bounded by some ranges, mountain ranges. That is the Aravalli range, which is in the northwest region of our country, which further extend and merge into rocky and sandy desert of Rajasthan. And here you can see the Vindhyas range, that is on the south of this Aravalli, and this is the main region of this Malwa Plateau. And some very important rivers which flows from this Central Highland. There are mainly 4 important rivers, that is the Betwa, Chambal, Cain, Sindh. These are the rivers which flow from this Central Highland, but as it emerged from the southwest region, but it flows towards northeast, which shows or which tell us that this Central Highland is having a slope towards the northeastern region. Means it is, here you can see that it is a wider part of the Central Highland. The river, it flows from the southwest region and drain towards the northeast region, which shows that it has a slope. Due to this slope, that the rivers, they flow into the northeast region of our country, and which we can say like this also, that the Central Highland, it is wider in the west. I am again repeating, this is the most important thing to just keep it in your mind, that the Central Highland is wider. Where it is wider? It is wider in the west and narrower in the east. And which marks, here you can see that, or here you can see that it widens in the west region. This is the west region, and as this is the west region, it is wider and it narrower in the east. So easternmost is the Baghel. It is known as the Baghelkhand and the Bundelkhand. So the easternmost of this Central Plateau, it is marked with the Chota Nagpur Plateau, which is again very important. The easternmost extension of this Central Highland is the Chota Nagpur Plateau, and as it is the easternmost extension of this Central Highland, which is very important also, this is Chota Nagpur Plateau. It is drained by river Damodar, which is main river here. Or you can see here also, if it is not clear the first map, then you can see that this is the wider part. Central Highland, this is the wider part in the west, and it gets narrower in the east. This is the eastern part, this is the western part, and this Chota Nagpur Plateau, it marks the extension. It is the which is drained by river Damodar, and it marks the eastern extension of Central Highland. Now we will study about Deccan Plateau. Okay,